Hey y'all, it's hot outside. I'm gonna show you what I've been doing. Why I got so sweaty. Woo-wee, man. South Texas, June is past almost the midway point of the year. Yeah, it's hot down here. I've been working on the Bronco just a little bit. You want to see it? Let's go look. Well, first off, we're starting with the factory headliner, and we're taking some of this adhesive spray and we're putting on a picture that I took on a flag material, and it's going to drape the entire thing. Let's check it out. Hey, so if this helps you, you could do it too. If this don't help you, pay it no mind. Don't do nothing that I did. That's the spraying music. That's me whistling Dixie or something. I'm just whistling. I'm not whistling Dixie. I'm not. Well, you know. The country's gone crazy, crazy for crazy glue. Let's just let this get kind of settled here, and it's already starting to stick. All right, we want that to hold on. I'm gonna get something else to put on here. Just gonna put that like so for now. Woo! Ouch. Well, that's what happened. My little stand that I usually use to, hold at a distance and film things. Yeah, it broke. So now I guess what I'm gonna have to do is just prop it on this water bottle. If it works, it works. So what I'm doing is a little bit at a time, peeling it back, then adding more glue, then pressing it down. You kind of get the idea. We just want to do it a little bit of a time so that the glue will stick, all that good stuff. But on this part, I'm going to put some on the actual flag that I'm putting on too. So it kind of makes a double-sided Scooby snack, double-sided stick. Because this is the middle, the top middle of the vehicle where it'll probably be hottest. And anyway, want that portion to be nice and adhesive, if you know what I'm saying. A lot of glue, lot of glue, lot of glue. Copious amounts of glue. Right, let's go up and over. Just gonna make sure this is laid out as smooth as I can. There may be some wrinkles. It's just gonna have to be an ankle McGinkle wrinkle. Don't want to crack the headliner material. portion. Don't wrinkle up on me. Try this up and over. Smooth it out. There. Turn it around. I'll move these clips to this side because I don't need the wind blowing it off. I don't know if this is going to work. I did one a long time ago with an Astros flag. This is flag material. Don't know if it's going to work or not, but we're trying. Let me go. Put down this layer of spray. Do a little bit more on this end. Or not, I'll cut off the excess at a later time. I'm gonna let this cure probably a day. Unless I get impatient. Me? Y'all ever wrote a song about being impatient? Yeah, we get impatient sometimes. All right, I'm gonna go get another couple things to hold this down. The idea is to put weight that's not creasing it, but it's just holding the fabric to it. You can always dust it off later. This is my shop blanket that I lay on to do oil changes and stuff like that. Just gonna hold it down for now. Let the adhesive do what it do. That's all for this video on headliner how-tos, I guess you could say. Putting this in my 91 Bronco. It's over here. I'll take you over there. Yeah, I'm sweating a little. It's hot out here. It's probably like 94 in the shade with the wind. But yeah, there's the Bronco, and just want to show you. You may not have known I took the headliner out a while back to redo it. I do have all these trim pieces, and I just decided to put a picture of the championship banners that are inside formerly Minute Maid Park, now known as Daikin Park. Anyway, hope you learned something today. Probably going to add more to this, but in case I don't, love y'all. See you next time.